crafters, thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. Today we're working on our August design team project for Crafty Dragon Creations. The kit is Vintage Boho. It is a beautiful kit packed with 29 pages. There's 5 background pages, 15 journal pages, 3 writing pages, and 6 ephemera sheets. I'm going to go over the kit briefly just to show you the beautiful images in this kit. The color scheme is beautiful. It's got blues and greens and pale peachy pinks in it. I've picked a couple of Distress Oxides that I'm going to work with this kit. I'm going to use Distress Oxide Stormy Sky and Distress Oxide Frayed Burlap. The background pages have florals, dream catchers, beautiful feathers. I love the tone of these feathers with the ombre looking blues. This page is beautiful, almost reminds me of a paisley print. We've got more florals. And another floral. These florals could be used with any kit. Doesn't have to be this Vintage Boho. It is a beautiful floral design. For the journaling pages, we've got some lace design here with the Vintage Boho girl and the feathers. More dream catchers with some tone-on-tone paisley print in the background. Dream catchers with a translucent feather background. Great images with the boho look here. Dream catchers with the beads. This would make great inspiration for bead dangles on a journal. Love the color, the jewel tone colors in this one. This one also has these deep jewel tone colors. Love the watercolor effect here. More dream catchers with distressed edging. Love these deep orange colors in this one. Another one with some watercolor effect. More dream catchers. Love the mixed media look in the background here. This kit has beautiful colors. I love all the jewel tone colors in this kit. Age distressing on this page. Then for the writing pages, there's plenty of room for journaling. Some line journaling pages on this one. And a little abstract page here. For the ephemera, we've got postcards, journaling cards, bingo card, some tags, some abstract leaves, feathers, little paisley look here. We've got some sentiment word strips, some more smaller journaling cards. Got tags, or you could use these as bookmarks, pockets. Got envelopes, more journaling cards. Beautiful envelope here with that floral print here and the circles here. And then some great tags with some bigger pockets here. This is going to be a great kit to play with. I am going to do something a little different than traditional journals with this kit. So I'm going to pause the video here, cut out my ephemera, and this is not going to be a tutorial. This is going to be a video showing you what I've created with this kit and giving you some inspiration on different things you can create with digital kits. Alright, I got everything cut out and created my project. And what I decided to do this time, instead of a traditional junk journal or mini album or scrapbook pages or spreads, with the idea that we are now entering into what is traditionally a back to school time, I wanted to create something a little different. I created a stationery set or desk organizer, whatever you kind of wanted to use it as, and used the Vintage Boho kit to decorate it. I'm going to try to show you this as best as I can. I'm probably going to have to take the whole organizer off and then show you the bits and pieces, because it's not going to all fit on the desk in camera frame. But what I've got here is I've got hidden paper clips at the back, and the front just clipped onto the organizer. And then inside the organizer I've got some notebooks, sketch pads, bookmarks, tags, extra paper for writing, notepads, envelopes, calendars, the postcard. And so I'm going to kind of slide it over to the side and try to show it to you as best as I can what I've got in it. I'll try to put it over right to the corner so you'll see where I'm taking it out of. My extra paper that I didn't use, I cut down. My extra papers that I didn't use, I cut down to make writing papers. And also you can see later on, I've got a sketchbook in here, so I thought maybe they could be collage papers if somebody wanted to use this set as like a art journal set. So I've got these as the extra papers. And then these are the writing pages that were in the kit. I made my coin envelopes with the journaling cards. Then I've got extra journaling cards here. Again, I've got the hidden paper clips. And I went and took a visit to the Dollar Tree and grabbed some items that I thought would work well in this stationery or desk set for back to school type things. And I got this little Post-it note holder, and I covered it with images from the kit. And then it's got the Post-it notes that someone can use for annotating books or just writing notes. This is an envelope from the kit. And a postcard from the kit. And then in the next section, I've got bookmarks that I just did hole reinforcers and some raffia tag pulls. I've got journaling tags. Again, I got a little planner from the Dollar Tree and covered that with images from the kit. And then you've got your planner inside. I got some more Post-it notes pads and made a post note pad holder. I got a writing tablet and covered that with the images. This is the sketchbook that I got from the Dollar Tree. I covered the front of it with some scrapbook paper and then used some images from the kit to decorate that. And then you've got sketch paper in here. That's where I left those extra papers to where if somebody wanted to do some journaling spreads or just some collaging in here. This also came from the Dollar Tree. And then I covered this with some scrapbook paper and an image from the kit. I took some extra paper from the kit and made a spine. Scrapbook paper here. This is a larger planner. And then I have a composition book that also came from Dollar Tree. Covered the back with the feather print, the front with that feather paisley print, one of the images from the ephemera sheet, one of the word sentiment strips. I covered the inside. Did some pockets. Then you've got your notebook here. And then I did an image on the back cover. And then I've got the paper clips, the hidden paper clips that clip onto the back of the desk organizer. And this is what the desk organizer looks like without anything in it. I made this with chipboard, covered it with some scrapbook paper that matched the kit. I'm going to go ahead and put everything back into the desk organizer so you kind of see how it fits back in. Try to get this back in frame. And the hidden paper clips can just clip right onto the back of the desk organizer. The notebook fits right into the back. The larger planner fits back there with that. And the sketch pad. The writing tablet. And the Post-it notes. The smaller planner. And the Post-it note holder. The bookmarks and journaling tags. Hidden paper clip clipped onto the front. My coin envelopes, extra journaling cards, larger envelope, and then my extra writing paper for writing or collaging. So I hope this gives some people some ideas of what you can do with kits other than just journals or memory albums. You could design this with any digital kit or just scrapbook paper for any theme that you might like. This is a beautiful kit to work with. I will have Stacy's information down in the description box where you can pick up this kit. I will have a coupon code down in the description box where you can get this kit for 30% off using that coupon code from now until September 30th. And I do hope you'll go over and visit Stacy's Etsy site, pick up this kit, and I do hope this shows you ideas, ways you can creatively use digital kits for things other than just journals. So if you like these ideas and would like to see more, please leave me a comment and let me know what other things you might want to see here on the channel. I'd love to get ideas from you of what you would like to see, what we can create here in the attic. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more content like this, please hit the like button and the subscription button to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I put up any new content. And until next time, y'all take care.